Welcome to Tech Office channel. Hope you are having a great day. In this series of videos we will be covering the basics of Microsoft Excel, including how to create and format spreadsheets and how to use formulas and functions and charts and do some printing. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create professional-looking spreadsheets and present your data in a clear and concise manner. If you are looking for other videos, just hit subscribe button and hit notification so you can get notified by new videos. So, let's get started and discover the power of Microsoft Excel. Here, you can see the spreadsheet consists of columns and rows. Columns arranged by letters and rows arranged by numbers. An individual spot is called a cell. When you click at it, become active cell. And you can see in the name box the name of the cell, which the column's letter and the row's number. So, let's input data. Make a double click. Let's write name. Here there is a group in the ribbon. You can edit text font size. Make it bold. Make text italic. Make underline. Choose text direction. Then you can click Tab at the keyboard to shift to the second column. Then write full degree. Then write degree. Then click Enter to shift down to the first column. As example, write mark at the column of name. Then write 100 at the full degree column. And write 80 at the degree column. Then click Enter. Adam. 100. 70. June. 100. 90. Let's make a table. When you group a bunch of cells that called a range on it. Then you can make border. From here, choose all borders. Then we will format the table. Make the title bold. Make the text at the middle. Make text larger. We can make cell width size from here. And cell tall size from here. Here, if you want to copy text, click right-click. Then choose Copy. Choose the place you want to copy text at it. Then click right-click. Then choose Paste. You can delete rows. When click here, right-click. And choose Delete. And delete columns by click right-click. And choose Delete. Then let's add title. First click here to insert a row. Then click Insert. Write the title by click here, left double click. Write student's degree. Then choose the area you want to make title at it and range on it. Then make cells merged. From here. Then you can make text bold. From here. You can also make title font size bigger. From font size. And make title background color. From fill color. Choose a color. Let's choose light blue. And font color. From here. Now when we want to make a formula, which the powerful of Excel. First choose the cell we will make the sum at it. Then click double-click. Write equals. Then choose the cell we will sum it. And then write plus. And make the same with other cells. And finally, click Enter. You can make all of this by one click. Clear the cell by right-click, then choose Clear Contents. Choose the cell which you will make the total at it. And the click at Sum here. It automatically added up. Your total will appear after the selected cells. Then click Enter. Let's get the percentage degree for each student. Click here and write equals. Then choose the cell of the degree. Then write slash. Then choose the cell of full degree. Then click Enter. Choose Format it as percentage from ribbon. We will get the degree percentage. If you just click on this, you can see there is the handle here. Drag it down. You will getting score of all students. If you want to get the average of the school degrees, click here and shows average. You can also choose to sum all full degrees and choose Sum from ribbon. And then choose to sum all students' degrees. And then write equals. Then shows the sum of degrees. Then write slash. Then choose Sum of students' degree. You get the average of all schools' student score. Finally, you get your table and make formula at it. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.